Hello, in this video, we will look at programming style and documentation. Good programming style and proper documentation make a program easy to read and prevent errors. Programming style deals with what programs look like when you create programs with a professional programming style. They're easy for people to read and understand. This is very important if other programmers will access or modify your programs. Documentation is the body of explanatory remarks and comments pertaining to a program. These remarks and comments explain various parts of the program and help others understand its structure and function. As you saw early in the chapter, remarks and comments are embedded within the program itself. Python interpreter simply ignores them when the program is executed. Here are a few guidelines. Appropriate comments and comment style. Include a summary comment at the beginning of the program to explain what the program does, its key features, and any unique techniques it uses. In a long program, you should also include comments that introduce each major step and explain anything that is difficult to read. It is important to make comments concise so that they do not crowd the program or make it difficult to read. Proper spacing. A consistent spacing style makes programs clear and easy to read. A single space should be added on both sides of an operator, as shown in the following statement right here. So you have this print this expression 3 plus 4 times 4. So we put a space on both sides of the operator. This would be a bad style. It's too crowded. There's no space to separate the operator with operands. That is all for this section on programming style and documentation. See you on the next video.